Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joseph, and in this video I'm going to be taking you guys through my nighttime routine for curly hair and also how I refresh my curls the next day. The first thing I'm going to be using is a rubber band. I use this to section my hair into 4 parts. I know some of you guys might have reservations about using the rubber band, but I don't put it on tightly and I let it hold my hair loosely to avoid any form of breakage. I use the rubber band to split my hair into 4 parts to maintain the definition of my hair throughout the night. It also helps to stretch out my curls. You want to gently handle the curls to avoid much frizz. Okay guys, the next thing I'll be using is a bonnet. I use this to protect my hair throughout the night to preserve moisture and reduce any form of breakage. My refreshing routine the next morning is pretty straightforward. I start by taking off the bonnet and gently removing the rubber band, and then I go in with a pick to further stretch my hair and loosen up the curls. I gently raise my hair with a pick from the roots, just a little. I do this thoroughly to properly stretch my hair. After using a pick, I go in with my hands and fluff up my hair. I do this till I have the desired shape I want.
A few moments later.
The purpose of going in with a pick and my fingers at certain parts is to give my hair a fuller shape. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Do well to leave a like and comment down below, and if you are new to this channel, hi, hey, welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification to get notified anytime I post. I'll see you in my other videos.